Anyway, guys, the Mzumbe people have finally joined the WhatsApp group, guys. They also have something to say to the current situation that is happening, guys, because the people are not happy. How come you are raising Umpilo very well you have a child? What is going on with you? So you decided to let go ingane yako just to be married by Musamseleko, who doesn't even care about you. People have been dragging Utobile since yesterday. So anyway, guys, let's get to start today. No, the rest of the house is somebody welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe it, so like it, comment. Happy Thursday, happy 2026. So yesterday on Utandanis Temple season 9 episode 21, Makele Lonkulu Musamseleko's first wife exposed a family secret that Khumalo had a child with her then partner before she got married to Musamseleko. According to Makele, it seems like Utobi had a partner then. So before she got married to Musamseleko, guys. Now my question is, why does Musamseleko look so guilty? Like maybe it was his child. One thing about Musamseleko, guys, he did defend Khumalo, guys. You could tell he was like, no, I'm not gonna let you embarrass my wife like this. Guys, there's a lot of thing that is going on. I also believe that it was Musamseleko's child. Masaule knew, hence she was so welcoming to the setup as Amhlalise Kailake, guys. So remember, Khumalo once said they were very close with Musamseleko's first wife, Masaule. May her soul rest in peace. Definitely it was Musamseleko's child. He's not gonna talk about it because he made a teenager pregnant, guys. We all know that when Musamseleko and Khumalo they started dating, Khumalo, she was very young, even though they don't want to reveal the age. Some are saying Ogote she was 15 years old, others are saying Ogote she was 16 years old. Even Ubaba Tobile did not like a relationship with Khumalo and Musamseleko, guys. There was a time where it is alleged Tobile's father went and opened a case against Musamseleko. So guys, right now the Mzumbe people are here to say whatever they're going on. So I saw this guy on TikTok. He went on to say that it is alleged what Makele is saying, it is true. Tobile wants to fall pregnant for her and then takes a driver boyfriend. So this person, he's saying that Utobile had a boyfriend. The boyfriend was a taxi driver. This guy went on to say, I had a friend who was from Mzumbe. She said many things, including how Makele got married to Musamseleko. So people are saying a lot of stuff, guys. I also saw this person who said that someone on Twitter said their parents said as the community knew that Tobile was with a child, but they never saw the child. They assumed that child passed on or she had miscarriage. Somebody also went on to say that I live closer to them. I know nothing. One thing about you, I do understand. Somebody say I'm a neighbor. I don't know anything. Someone went on again to say my home is close to Mzumbe and the Sea Park. My mom does not have any tea, guys. So some people are saying, oh God, we live close by Mzumbe. We don't know what's going on. Another person said that it was alleged Utobile had a boyfriend who was a taxi driver, the one that made Tobile pregnant. No wonder why Musamseleko did not want to talk about. Others are saying yaka Musamseleko. They say Utobile Musamseleko was Tobile's first boyfriend. She did not know anything. Now you wanna embarrass Tobile. And again, guys, the sad part is that today they are not coming back. We remember that we told that Utandanis Temple is going to be every Wednesday and Thursday. So today they're going to play Ulondi London on Mzansi Magic, and people are so angry. They want a response from Makele, from Tobile, from Musamseleko, Ziakala, Namhlanje, guys. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.